ગુડ મોર્નિંગ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ. આ વિડીયોની અંદર આપણે જોશું ટેકનોલોજીનો ઉપયોગ સર્વિસ સેક્ટરની અંદર. તો શરૂઆતની અંદર જોઈએ કે ભાઈ જ્યારે પણ કોઈ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન છે પોતાના સર્વિસ રિલેટેડ ડિસિઝન લે છે, સર્વિસની અંદર ટેકનોલોજી યુઝ કરવા અથવા ઇમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ કરવા રિલેટેડ ડિસિઝન લે છે, તો ત્યારે એ કેવા કેવા પ્રોબ્લેમ ફેસ કરે છે અથવા એને કેવા ક્વેશ્ચન થાય છે. Is technology a key strategy, trust in our business, or just another operational tool? यानी कि a organization considered as a one strategic option, or it is like such activity as we perform usual, right? How would we how would new technology impact productivity or service quality? What should be the role of technology in our production process or in our productivity or service quality? It create a positive impact or it create a negative impact. So here we have to identify this thing. Third one, do customer have the skill and desire to use self-service option? Are customer is able to pursue the technology or not? We have to think about this area, right? Technology with implication for the service sector. Here certain sector is given where technology are used very well. For example, in power and energy sector, the technology are there. Physical design sector, technology are there. Material related technology are there. Method or procedure related technology are there. Biotechnology are there. And of course IT is a huge or broad sector where technology are advanced and used widely. Key development in the historical evolution of IT. यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि पूरा जो इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी है उसका डेवलपमेंट कैसे हुआ इस दुनिया में. तो वी आर जस्ट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1000 BC, बिफोर century. Alphabet and other script are developed and spoken, right, and recognized by people, right. Then after, Hindu Arabic number uh, start from 12th century in Europe, enable rise of modern math, accounting and insurance. Then after, printing press are developed in 15th century, which allow a mechanical reproduction of multiple copy and text. Then after, fast reliable mail service are developed uh, uh, in 19th century, that include railroad and steamship are there, and it create the transportation facility and speed of delivery. Then after, telegraph and telephone are developed, invented in 19th century, which create a communication platform and physical transportation of goods, right. Then after, digital digital technology are developed in 20th century, right. It is right now. How core service processes related to different technologies, right. So here we are just try to understand the role of technology in types of processes. Here three types of service processes are there. People processing services are there, possession processing services are there, information based services are there. So here IT play major role in this three type of services. In a people processing services emphasize on physical design, material, power, method and technologies, right. So um, in a people processing services, technology have a major role to play in a physical designing, material designing, power generation and method or procedure generation, right. Then after, possession processing services include power, physical design, material, method, technology, same. Then after, information based services include IT and power play major role, right. Next, the digital revolution underlying growth of the internet and world wide web, much higher computing power at lower cost, right? Nowadays we are able to calculate, or we are able to compute a large amount of information through minimum cost. So it is a strong part of technology. Digitalization of all type of information like text, graphics, audio, video, we are using day by day. Huge increase in telecommunication capacity. Here today we are using high speed internet data. It is also a telecommunication. Miniaturization of batteries and hardware for mobile device, right? Nowadays compact mobile device is available. Also batteries are available with a long lasting life. Advance in software, digital switching, and network architecture, these are the all types of development in IT field, and it create a bigger digital revolution worldwide. Using website for service delivery, you can take an example of organization who render services, and you can fit this whole 8 element for the purpose of use of IT, right? For example, in if you want to render information, it is very easy for through technology to render information. You just try to put certain brochure over internet. You just give frequently asked question, get scheduled, direction, check price, etc. Consultation include, you are able to consult via electronic mail, email, via SMS, right? It is possible via chat, it is possible. um, Next, order taking include, you are able to take whole order via computer, your website, right? So it is also possible. Hospitality, record your preferences, right? If you are avail services one time in any hotel, they are try to maintain your record, and next time if you are uh, coming to hotel, then they try to prefer accordingly. And then after, safekeeping is there. Tracking package and movement, check repair status. For example, in a Flipkart, in Amazon, we are able to check our status, where our product are located. Exception, make a special request, resolve our problem. Billing, that include receiving bill via email. Make auction bid, check account status. It is possible through the way of technology. And ultimately we are able to make payment via Paytm, via debit card, via credit card, right? So everything is possible through the way of technology. Next, e-commerce. Internet create a new paradigm in service strategy. So it, internet bring a high revolution in the field of service sector, right? It create a best strategy for service organization. Offer marketer a fast, versatile communication medium. It create a unique medium for communication. It provide interactive communication, right, through the way of uh, uh, broadcast, right? Website can replace or supplement other media, newspaper, etc. Email is cheaper than fax, phone, or mail, right? It is also possible. Within a fraction of second we are able to pass a message without any single payment of single money. Shift power from seller to buyer, right? Can enlarge market. Yes, technology are able to enlarge market. You are able to cover whole world via one single website. Facilities, buyer lead price, uh, lead to deconstruction of existing supply chain, may eliminate intermediaries. uh, Certain companies are doing same thing. Flipkart, Amazon, they are just try to eliminate intermediary and try to give benefit to the customer. uh, can cut off cost of doing business substantially, and large application are B2B, not business to customer, right? Here three type three type of network is defined. One is internet, one is intranet, one is extranet, right? Different level of website that include publishing site, electronic brochure, catalog, newspaper, encyclopedia. These are the example of published site. Database and form offer interactive and dialogues. Search engine enable visitor to retrieve request information. So it is form of database and a Google form. Personalization, able to create a page catering to specific individual, may anticipate user choice, suggest alternative. You can develop your own website, you can develop your own page for the purpose of catering specific kind of customer. Then after content sponsorship, like fixed price for a definite period, typically get banner advertising. Google also plays a certain banner advertisement. They are providing service of banner advertisement, that is called content sponsorship. Retail alliance may be exclusive within the category, that include upfront fees for button to click through on site. YouTube is also doing the same thing, right? Prospect or click through fees. uh, mm, all type of search engine um, try to render this type of services where any audience try to click on the website, and the company, the website developer, have to pay certain fees to search engine service provider. uh, Syndicating selling, sales commission to affiliate site that send visitor to purchase.